Welcome to Screen Acting. This lecture centers on skills and equipment needed for screen acting. Hence, it is titled Mastering the Art and Tools of On-Screen Performance. I am your lecturer, Tony Uche. First of all, what is screen acting? We noted that screen acting is acting that is performed specifically for film or television and digital screens. It requires expressions, control movements, and camera awareness. We should know that screen acting differs from stage acting, which is often larger and more exaggerated. Take note of the differences between screen acting and stage acting. There are key skills that are needed for screen acting. One of such is emotional authenticity. You'll be able to convey your genuine emotions. Another one we should note is camera awareness. You must understand the framing, the different framing angles, the eye lines, and so forth. Another skill you must master is listening and reaction. So you should react in such a way that it will be believable interaction with your co-actors or actresses. You should also be able to control your voice. We call it voice control. Your voice should be clear enough. You should be able to master tone modulation. If it is a question, for instance, how are you is a question. Me is a question, even though it is a word. Me, because of the way you pronounce it, your tone modulation. And then you should be able to have the skill of physical control. You use gestures, gesticulation, your posture, your facial expressions, just as the assignment I gave to you that most of you have already done. Then there are additional professional skills you must imbibe. Very important. Script analysis. You should understand your character, your motivation, and the narrative. You should be able to look at a script, then you look at it, analyze it. What is this character about? You should understand what the motivation for the character is about so that you'll be able to do well. You should also have the ability to improvise. Sometimes there are things that are not written in a script, so you can react naturally in those unscripted moments. There is also what is called continuity awareness. You can repeat actions the same way in multiple takes. If there is a mistake, there is a retake. If it's a retake, you keep on repeating, but if it is the same action, all right, and you should do it in the same way multiple takes. Then there is what we call technical collaboration. You should be able to work well with your director, the film director, the camera crew, the sound engineers, the location manager, and so on and so forth. These are skills that you must need. So what are the equipments needed for screen acting? One of the equipments, very important, is camera. You use camera for filming scenes and performances. We have different kinds of cameras, and it is important that you know these cameras. Very important. I've displayed some for you to see. Other equipment needed include your microphone. You have the clip-on microphone, the boom microphone, the shotgun mics. These are the different microphones needed. Outside that, you also need lighting equipment. You have ring lights, reflectors, soft boxes, and so on and so forth. Those are the different lighting equipment that are needed. Aside that, you need monitors. Monitors are screen, so that when the director is calling the shot, and of course the actors are already playing the roles, you'll be able to monitor what they are doing. Very important. So aside that, you also have what we refer to as helpful tools, tools that can help you. The makeup and wardrobe kits. The makeup artist makes use of the makeup, kits very well to make up those who are acting. You have the clapper board. This is for syncing of sound and visuals. I've included them in visual form so that you can see them. All right, and then other helpful tools are equally there, such as the teleprompter. Assuming that you are reading lines, so that you don't break eye contact. You are looking straight and you are seeing a teleprompter, and it will look as though you are reading up heart, but there is a teleprompter that is telling you what to say. You know the next line immediately. Okay. Others are self-tape kits, acting reels. All these are used for auditioning. Then practical tips that will help you as an aspiring screen actor. One of it is your phone. Your phone is very important. You practice with your phone camera to enable you build comfort. You can do it over and over again. You can record your monologues and watch playbacks for improvement. Just as I given you assignment, you use your phone to do it. You can watch it over and over again and see the areas you have made mistakes and then be able to correct the same. You are also to join workshops to learn what is obtainable in the industry, attend conferences, and then attend your lectures, ask questions in class. All these things will go a long way in helping you. So screen acting demands subtlety and technical understanding, meaning that screen acting demands your ability to be able to understand the technicalities involved and the subtle acts and action that take place in screen acting, and the equipment you use enhances performance quality and the production value too. It adds value to the production. So you keep on learning, you review again and again, then you are becoming better as you keep on practicing. All right, so I wouldn't know the kind of scale that is most challenging for you and the equipment you may have used. If you have questions, you can post them on our common platform and we keep on interacting. Thank you very much and God bless.